Episode 7, Getting the Most Out of Business Support. Welcome to the Be Your Own Boss podcast, the young entrepreneur's guide to starting a business. Whether you're thinking about business for the first time or you have an idea that you want to develop, then this is the podcast for you. I'm Mari and I'll be guiding you through this 15-part series that will keep you on track and help you think through the challenges that come with starting a business. Part of the Welsh Government's Business Wales service, Big Ideas Wales raises aspirations and supports young entrepreneurs' ambitions for business. Part funded by the European Regional Development Fund, Big Ideas Wales supports young people through online resources, business skills workshops, and one-to-one sessions with an advisor to help your ideas become a reality. To get in touch with us, you can like and follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Message us and one of the team will get back to you. Call us via the helpline on 03000 60 3000, live chat on the Business Wales website, or you can email us bigideas@gov.wales. This is episode 7. Last time we spoke about getting online on a budget. I hope you found the option that works for you, whether that's building your own website from scratch, using a DIY template, or having someone create it for you. Now you've your domain name sorted and you're on the road to building your website, let's take some time to talk about business support. Needing support, knowing what's available and also where to find it can be difficult, and I know it sounds like a scary process, but don't worry, we want to make life a little bit easier for you. Big Ideas Wales is the first stop for young entrepreneurs in Wales. You can visit the website to find lots of ideas, advice, tips and resources to help you launch your big idea. The Big Ideas support is offered by the Welsh Government through Business Wales, but also if you're studying in college or university, then check out what they have on offer as well. I don't know if you know, but we have enterprise champions at every college and university across Wales who are ready and waiting to help you. It's worth checking out the full list of organisations that can help you on our website as well. You will find that some services might be fully funded or charge a nominal fee. If not, it's worth noting you will have to pay a full rate for advice. Use your time wisely, be committed to follow up on actions agreed, and make the most of your advisor or mentor's time. There's so much support on offer, you have to make the most of it. Some of the support you can access are workshop and events available across Wales to build your business knowledge and develop your understanding of topics like finance, marketing, and business planning. These are a great way of learning the essential skills needed and a great opportunity to meet other entrepreneurs and share experiences. You can access the full details and applications on our website. You might find that online learning is your thing, and you can access the Business Online Support Service, aka BOSS, through Business Wales, which will allow you to learn essential business skills online at your own pace, on the go, wherever you are and whatever the hour. Other entrepreneurs and business professionals are willing to share their knowledge and advice by offering themselves as coaches and mentors. They can guide you in the right direction. There are a number of business competitions you can enter, which will hone your skills and allow you to make connections. Also, the experience and practical help you can access through them, along with some useful prizes, can offer you some great PR opportunities. You can check out full details and applications on our website. Throughout Wales, there are a number of co-working spaces, incubator and accelerator programmes which you can apply to be a part of. Here you can benefit from working with and meeting like-minded entrepreneurs across Wales, and it's the perfect opportunity to build connections and learn from each other. There are also 5 enterprise hubs located across all regions in Wales where you can access support from Business Wales as well as other partners. Visit our website to find out more information. We're always ready to answer your questions, and you can register for one-on-one support, so why not find us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram at Big Ideas Wales. When it comes to finance, grants and loans, what you can get will depend on eligibility, but there are lots of options. Low-interest loans like a startup loans are customary for new businesses. Grants tend to be for businesses that are already trading, but your business advisor can guide you through the options, so don't panic. There's someone that can help you along the way. That's quite a bit of information to take in, I know, and you might be wondering, how do I find the help available? Well, that's easy. Business Wales Helpline offers a diagnostic as well as information and signposting service, so all you have to do is give them a call on 03000 60 3000, or you can use their live chat function on the Business Wales website. You can join our growing network of young entrepreneurs and register to see a business advisor. Just visit our website to find out how. Go and see one of our entrepreneur champions at your college or university. You can find out who your EC is on our website and have a look at our real startup stories to find out how many people the ECs have helped already. We also hold Big Ideas Wales events which you can attend. They are great fun and you come away from them with new information, skills and a new set of business contacts. Finally, don't forget to get liking, following, tweeting and messaging us on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. Just send us a question and one of the team will get back to you. It's also a great way for you to keep up to date with what we're up to and any events we have coming up. It might be a daunting challenge to sit down and talk to a business advisor, but it's not, I promise. Our dedicated advisors are across Wales and they are ready and waiting to help you. Let me answer some FAQs for you to help you get started and give you an idea of how it all works. Why do I need an advisor? Your advisor is there to help you make the final steps towards starting a business. They'll provide you with the tools and resources you need. They can also introduce you to the big ideas role models and point you in the right direction to any extra information you may need. We've met a few role models throughout previous episodes of the podcast, but you can find out more about them on the role model profiles available on our websites, so why not go and check them out? When will I know if I'm ready to see an advisor? Trust me, you'll just know. When you've done as much as you can for yourself, you'll be ready. The advisor will be able to tell you if you need to spend more time developing your idea before you go any further. We also have a handy checklist that can take you through the steps of starting a business that will also help you. This is also available on our website. Don't forget you can also get support from your college or university too. Do I meet them in person? The first thing the advisor will do is call you, then from there you'll agree to meet in person for any further conversations you may need. Do I need to prepare before I meet my advisor? There are a couple of things you'll need to be able to do. Describe your business idea, the market research you've already carried out, an idea of your customers and competitors, what makes your idea different from the rest, and you're good to go. If you have any relevant marketing materials or even a draft business plan, then bring them with you for the advisor to see. But you don't have to have these prepared. Where will I meet my advisor? This won't be a formal meeting, so don't worry. They can meet you at a cafe, your college or university, and if you're nervous, you can bring a friend or family member if you want to. Your advisor won't meet with you at home. What can I expect from my first meeting? In the first meeting, you'll talk through your business idea, how you want to develop it, and what you need to do to get started. You'll come away with an action plan that you can work on, and the advisor might also take away actions to work on before the two of you meet again. Will I need to bring ID? No, you don't need to bring ID. The relationship you build with your advisor will work on trust. They will trust who you say you are and that you're eligible to receive our support. Will they be able to give me funding advice? Your advisor will be able to identify sources of funding that might be appropriate. They can also help you create business plan or cash flow forecast, which will be helpful in securing funding. We'll be discussing funding in episode 10, so don't forget to listen in. What happens after our first meeting? After the meeting, it's your responsibility to tackle some of the items on your action plan. Then at your next meeting, the progress will be reviewed, and your advisor will be able to identify any further work that's needed. What if I don't get along or connect with my advisor? Now, this is very unlikely to happen, but on the rare occasion that it does, we can offer you someone new. One thing to note is they may not be in your area and therefore are unable to meet you in person. What if I need to cancel or postpone a meeting? This is not a problem. We all know schedules can change, but make sure you let your advisor know as soon as possible so they can reschedule the meeting. This is all pointless information if you don't know how to get an advisor in the first place. All you need to do is contact Big Ideas Wales via email, inquiries@bigideas.wales. Call on 03000 60 3000, or as we've already mentioned, contact us on social media. It's that easy. Now you all know about the support available to you, don't be afraid to access and use it because it's there for a reason. Next time we'll be talking about making a business plan, so remember to listen in. Here are those all-important contact details for you so we can answer all your questions. To get in touch with us, you can like and follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Message us and one of the team will get back to you. Call us via the helpline on 03000 60 3000. Live chat on the Business Wales website, or send us an email, bigideas@gov.wales. I'll speak to you all again very soon.